Hi everyone. In this session we will going to clear one of the most common doubts. What is difference between SAP ERP versus SAP ECC? Many people use these terms but actually there is a small but important difference is there. What is SAP ERP? SAP ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning software developed by SAP. It integrates all major business processes into single system. Finance, HR, procurement, sales, manufacturing and supply chain. For example, in a retail store, if a product is sold, the sales module records the order, the inventory gets updated and finance automatically reflects the revenue, all inside the SAP ERP. What is SAP ECC? Now, what about ECC? ECC stands for ERP Central Component. It is actually the core part of SAP ERP. Think of ECC as the engine that powers the system. It contains the most important modules like finance, controlling, material management, sales and distribution, production planning, and human capital management. Companies like Nestle or Unilever use SAP ECC to run their finance, supply chain and HR operations. Let's discuss the differences SAP ERP versus ECC. Here where people get confused, SAP ERP is the whole suite and ECC is just a central component of it. So SAP ERP includes ECC plus other extensions and add-ons. ECC focus only on the core business module. You can think of SAP ERP as the whole tree and SAP ECC as a trunk for the tree, the main structure that holds everything together. You can see here the differences: definition, scope, usage, popularity. The definition: SAP ERP overall enterprise resource planning suite. In ECC is central component, core module of SAP ERP. Scope for SAP ERP includes ECC plus industry. SAP ERP focused on core business processes. Usage: SAP ERP broader, covers all the functionality. SAP ECC narrower, just central modules. Popularity: SAP ERP is a big umbrella term. SAP ECC is the most common implementation. Why ECC is important? ECC became extremely popular because it gave companies the stable backbone they needed. It provides the essential modules every business required like finance, supply chain, HR and manufacturing. Over the years, SAP supported ECC with enhancement packages which allowed companies to upgrade features without doing a full reinstallations. ECC versus the future S/4HANA. But there is an important upgrade. SAP announced that support for ECC will end in 2027, extended to 2030 for premium customers. That's why more companies are now migrating to S/4HANA, which is faster, modern and runs only on the HANA database. For example, BMW is migrating from SAP ECC to S/4HANA to improve real-time supply chain tracking. Conclusion: the summary is SAP ERP is the umbrella term, SAP ECC is the core central component of ERP. ECC is still widely used but will soon be replaced by S/4HANA. So, if someone asks you, is ECC the same as ERP? You can confidently say ECC is part of ERP, not the whole ERP. Thank you for watching. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe. Our next topic is what is SAP ECC versus SAP HANA versus SAP S4HANA.